Otherwise, I know that the government is actually on the process of even bringing doctors from Cuba. I think Kenyans, we should be able to support that, as well as also supporting our local doctors, Kenyan doctors, also to be embraced by the government and given opportunity also to be able to work in hospitals. But basically we need very qualified staff across the counties so that we can be able to solve deaths like the ones we have seen in the morning. I want to give my condolences to the family of the late Augustine Bahati, a prominent businessman, actually a very hard-working young businessman in Machakos town, who lost his life this morning, actually through some heart attack. It was a sudden death, and the people of Machakos have actually been shocked because of that sudden death, and today we have actually come to the home so that we can be able to condole the family.
Ainena kabinda kaleta mukite musie kwa mutandithia umweki sioni cha Masako Augustine Bahati uloti wenetha yotukune wa kwa mukia umundi mbunge wa Masako Town Dr. Victor Munyaka niwenda silikali kukalatila Matakitali Kuma ya Cuba na weta nimekwa ilia uiti bande ito ya Kenya niwako ulialama kisi kulea na naitambia yeye mabiki na kuthikwa tamba umeba Matakitali mabande ito ya Kenya nundu uiti musio windu wawe wa kuendeka kula kwe mwenembi ula utetonya.
The current 14 membership chosen by former Prime Minister Raila and President Uhuru Kenyatta to be able to go around bridging unity and peace as the agenda for dialogue, because you know we are after the prolonged electioneering process. You understand Kenya has been left divided, but after the handshake, I can see there is a light at the end of the tunnel. So this team should actually be able to do a thorough job, because most of the issues which cause animosity amongst communities, ethnic animosities actually are historical. They should be able to go around and enumerate all those issues which actually divide Kenyans, so that we heal Kenya once and for all.
No webo nwakadhi ya itambia ya Musumbi Uhuru Kenyatta na ndongo ya NASA Raila Odinga walawa amenda matamuke isioni kibathukanga ndio bambe ito ya Kenya mavikie na kutabanya mugo nundu mugo no vikie na kuwete maendeleo na ngwatanio kwamba isiombe bambe ito giripoti ya cheni chama Kuma Masako Bete David Wambua.